Now, how do you save pictures from the Files app to the Photos on iPhone? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So naturally, you can find it inside of the Files application as usual, right? You can even look up the specific file type, like look up the JPEG image. And the way that you can bring it to the local storage of the photos is by holding down on the image and clicking on the share button. So when you click on share, a bunch of different things are going to appear, like the apps you can export it to, but there should be the button to save image, right? So the save image basically means moving it or copying this photo from the Files app to the Photos app, right? So it's just like moving in between the iPhone. You should also be able to just select multiple images by clicking on the select, right, and then tapping on share and save more images at the same time, right? So you don't have to do it one by one. And it's also important that this works for videos as well, but not for other file types, right? So if a lot of people just want to bring some PDF files into the Photos app, well, that does not work because the Photos app simply doesn't support it. So let me know what you think about that below. Let me know if it actually worked for you. Most definitely subscribe for tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.